Hi YouTube, welcome back to my food channel. My name is Shir and today I'm going to show you how I make my pizza. Stay tuned. I know there are a lot of recipes that call for a really long time of proving, but I prove it twice, 30 minutes to an hour every time. I think today I'm going to make it fast because I'm hungry as hell. I'm boiling some water as we speak. The recipe that I'm using is a mix between one that I saw online on Mako and my own, because I accidentally once made it with different amounts of sugar and salt, so I adjusted it because it turned out really great. And also the original recipe calls for just one proving and I want to develop more gluten, so let's do this. Cute! Hot! That's enough. Wow, you see how it doubled at least its size? It's amazing. You need to pass to a second proving. I usually prove it in the oven, even though it's not working. It's just like a closed and warmer environment. Oh my god, look at this dough. It reasons so much. And now, take it out gently. Do you see it? It's so beautiful. I love it. Don't you? This now goes in for the sauce to dry. On the highest heat. The highest. Bye for now. Here I'm going to dry the mozzarella. While it dries, I prepare my add-ons. Don't have a lot of salami. I forgot to put olive oil on the edges. So let's do this carefully. It looks so good! Cutting the mozzarella, preferably thinly, because then you can cover the entire pizza with it. Always check your pizza while you're making all of this, because it can be burned in 1 second, so pay attention. I love pizza so much. I didn't make it for such a long time. Now this, I'm only putting on here to dry. So I get the driest it can, actually. Oh my god. The pizza looks so good. You see? Oh my god. See how it bends? Oh my god, are you excited as I am? Oh my god. It looks so good. A little bit of pecorino cheese on top. Okay, I think it's enough. Oh my god! This is so extra. I hope it will be okay. Put some extra olive oil. I definitely forgot the onions. What is happening in the oven? What? OMG. This looks so great. Fuck. Okay. Didn't work out so well with the bacon, but we tried. It is cut so badly. I ruined everything. 1. Hot. 2. Oh my fucking god, I am so excited. This looks amazing. Do you see? Oh my god, you have to see the other side also. Do you get it? Oh my god. Okay, I am so excited. This looks amazing. Just amazing. Oh my god, it's just perfect. Can't even tell you. I want you to see the texture. Oh my god, it's like a freaking pillow. I love this so much. I can't even tell you how much I love pizza. I had so many videos on my channel about pizza, but I think this one is the best video of them all. Oh my god. You just have to make it. Oh my god, you don't know what good pizza is until you do it yourself. Oh, yummy. Let's try with some Tabasco. I don't think it's needed because I did put some chili inside of the sauce, so I don't think it would be needed. I love that the crust has a really thin layer of crisp, and then the other is like a soft pillow. It's just like, I love it. It's the perfect consistency. I love it. Also, I love the final touch of the fresh basil leaves. It really adds a little freshness to it, and it adds this great taste that basil has when fresh. I usually also put it in the sauce as well, but I forgot. I have to say, this was a hectic film, so I love it so much. After I put the basil, I also put some extra olive oil, fresh. It also adds some good flavors to it. I really recommend this. This side was a bit too crispy, maybe. I don't know if too crispy. It's still amazing. Oh my god, please tag me if you make this with my recipe. And I didn't even put out the... never mind, later. So please tag me if you make this pizza from my recipe. You can tag ShirEats, or you can just mention me if it's a story and I will reshare it. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my day-to-day recipes, tell me in the comments below. And if you want to see more videos like that, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button so you get notifications when I upload new videos, and I hope I see you on the next video.